What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So we've got a Puma green and white box, standard, as you've seen many times. This one's got a hole in it, but I don't know who got angry. Let's just have a look at the sticker. So this is one of my favorite shoes at the moment, and it is a RSXK colorway Puma black, meaning like triple black. Star code on this is 39278707, UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, and centimeters 29. And this pair is made in Vietnam. So I'm not sure if you've seen the white colorway that I reviewed, but I love them. And then I thought, black colorway, why not? Look at that, man. What an amazing shoe. I really like this shoe, man. So we'll run through it quickly, and then I'll explain why I love it so much. So the bottom is a standard like Puma RS RSX RSZ sole, which comes on most of the shoes. Some of them can be slightly different, so like dots, more hair, etc. Standard sole, all black. Midsole, all black. On the back, we've got like a kind of nubuck material that says RSXK system or X system, but I don't really like the way they've written that. On the back, we've got a patch of suede. Then we've got another little Puma logo there. The Puma swoosh is actually plastic and it's stitched into the upper. And if you can't tell already, the upper is like a knitted fabric type of upper, like a type of sock vibe. So you know, you can see the sock vibe all there, and then all around the shoe. Got a bit of nubuck / leather there. Toe box obviously is all knitted, and all the around is all knitted as well. So on the laces, it's suede both sides. Got a little leather tab at the bottom, and then the tongue is actually leather, smooth leather material, and the inside's a neoprene. Got some laces I haven't really seen before by Puma, but they are like a standard flat, but they are like, you know, black and white. The inside is that standard running system RS insole, and then, you know, a bit of padding and stuff. The reason I like this shoe is it is lighter than the normal one. Extremely comfortable, I have to say, extremely comfortable. And they look really nice on foot, if I'm honest. So like in the summer, you can wear these with shorts, you can wear these with cargos, you can wear these with joggers, you can wear these with trainers, you can wear these with jeans, you can wear these with so many different things. Like, they look so good. You know, I'm liking the sock vibe, and I never expected this from Puma. When I got the first pair, I was like, oh my gosh, like they're doing a sock type. They're a bit late, but you know, it works. I really like it. I got this pair for £80 as well, and you know, £80 for a pair of trainers that are so good. Well, in my opinion, definitely not getting paid to say this, but yeah, I really do like them, man. I really love what Puma's doing at the moment. And yeah, Puma, man, just keep it up, just keep it going, man. I really love what you're doing at the moment. I'm loving all the Pumas, everything. Yeah, it's a Puma wave at the moment. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. From me, 10 out of 10. I'll be honest, just straight, no hesitation. 10 out of 10. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, subscribe. The on-foot video will also be posted separate, so watch that as well. Watch all the old content. And take care, my people.